Hello students, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll talk about what is preposition. It is one of parts of speech. It is a word used to link nouns, pronouns or phrases to other words within a sentence. It is used to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships or to introduce an object. Usually short words. These are usually short words and are placed directly in front of nouns. Also are found in front of gerund verbs. They help to glue a sentence. Types of prepositions are simple preposition, compound preposition, phrases preposition, preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. Now the types in detail. Simple prepositions are one-word prepositions like for, in, through, till. Compound prepositions are generally formed by prefixing a preposition, usually a or b, to a noun, an adjective, or adverb. For example, about, beyond, around. Phrase prepositions are used with the force of a single preposition. These are group of words but used with the force of a single preposition. For example, according to is one preposition, in place of is another. Preposition of time. A preposition of time is a preposition used to indicate when a particular action takes place. The most common preposition of time are at, in, and on. At is used for precise time, in for months, years, centuries, and long periods, while on is used for days and dates. Preposition of place. It is a preposition which is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located, like this, all. For example, in, on, under, behind, above, between are examples of preposition of place. Preposition of direction or movement. Preposition of direction and movement are used to describe the movement of a person or object from one place to another. For example, to, towards, into, through, up, down. And what you should avoid while using preposition: do not use in, at, or on before next or last. For example, we will get married in next year. This is wrong. We will get married next year. This is right. Their baby was born on last March. This is wrong. We will not use on before March. Examples: I prefer to read in the library. Here, in. He climbed up the ladder to get onto the roof. Here, on too. Then we have on and after in third sentence, down and through in fourth one, and across in the fifth one, while with in sixth sentence. So everybody, now quiz time, and don't forget to type your answer in comment section. First question is: the scientist made an amazing discovery dash accident. By, on, through are your options. Second question is: didn't you park your car dash mine, on top of, at, or behind.